Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the best VPN for using CapCut Pro in 2025. If you've been dealing with frustrating problems like missing features, slow rendering, or even being completely blocked from accessing CapCut, you're definitely not the only one. These issues often happen due to geo-restrictions or limitations from your internet provider. Some regions don't support the full version of CapCut, and in some cases, your connection might be throttled. That's exactly where a VPN makes all the difference. By switching your virtual location, a VPN lets you unlock the full CapCut experience. Smooth, fast, and without limits. Is using a VPN legal? Using a VPN is legal in most countries. Just remember, using one doesn't make illegal activities legal. Always follow the laws in your country and check the terms of each platform you use, including CapCut. Before we go any further, let's talk about free VPNs, because I know many people look for them first. But here's the truth. Free VPNs are slow, extremely limited, and can be dangerous. They usually have tight speed caps, small server networks, and constant disconnections. But the biggest issue is trust. Many free VPN providers log your online activity and even sell that data to advertisers or worse. They might look tempting, but in the long run, they hurt your privacy and performance. That's why I always recommend going with a trusted paid VPN that actually gives you high speeds, strong encryption, and no logging policy. And the good news is, they don't have to be expensive. The site I personally use is called vpnsaver.com, and no, it's not just another list of random VPNs. This site carefully picks the top performing VPNs on the market and constantly updates the discounts. Some go up to 86% off. What I love is that it breaks down the VPNs by specific needs. You can easily see which is best overall, which one is best for speed, gaming, security, privacy, and of course, best price. This way, you're not guessing. You're choosing based on what you actually care about. I personally recommend NordVPN. This is one of the most trusted and recognized VPN services in the world. Now let's quickly talk about why having a VPN in general is so powerful, even beyond just fixing CapCut. When you use a VPN, you encrypt your internet traffic using military-grade protection. This means no one, not even your internet provider, can see what you're doing online. You also hide your real IP address, which keeps your identity protected and prevents websites from tracking you. This is especially important if you're using CapCut for projects where privacy or client data is involved. Plus, if you ever work on public Wi-Fi, like in a cafe or airport, a VPN protects you from hackers trying to steal your info. It's one of those tools that once you start using, you wonder why you didn't have it sooner. Now let's focus on how a VPN actually works in this case. After installing it, all you need to do is connect to a server in a country like the USA, where CapCut isn't restricted. Once connected, you open the app and use it just like normal. But now, no connection errors, no missing features, and better stability overall. So, to wrap it all up, if you want unrestricted access to CapCut, better connection stability, and the bonus of online privacy and security, a solid VPN is a no-brainer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials and tips, and let me know in the comments if you've ever faced issues with CapCut access or VPNs in general. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.